Hi, Jay from Downing & Nelson Company. Wanted to make a wall cleaning video for you today. This wall that you're seeing in the video is, without a doubt, one of the best examples of craftsmanship when it comes to stonework I've ever seen. It is about 200 foot long, curved, anywhere from 6 foot down to 8 inches tall wall that's about 24 inches or so thick. Just beautiful, beautiful colors in the stones, reds and oranges and blues and greens. Great masonry work, great pointing on the wall, just beautiful. So the homeowner and real estate agent wanted to have it cleaned up prior to the home being put up for sale. I wanted to just go through a process with you today. We first, as you saw, we applied a soap. This soap is a chlorine-based soap. It uses a low dilution of chlorine, and that kind of kills some of the mold, algae, and the growth. We then come by with this power washer that you're seeing here. It's a medium pressure power washer, really high flow, gallons per minute. We have it set at about 2,000 PSI, and we're using a fairly wide tip. So it's not really high pressure on the wall. It's enough to break everything up. We let it dry, we kind of move to the next section, and then what we do is come back, we spray that same soap onto the wall, and then we kind of do our touch-ups. We take care of all the spots we might have missed. We get it from different angles, top on either side to make sure we don't miss anything. And then the last step, which is actually not shown in this video, is we walk around with a pump-up sprayer with a slightly higher dilution of that soap, just to take care of some of the little bit more embedded mold discoloration that was on the stones. Mostly on the top. It was, the wall itself was in really good shape. The top had some darker staining from mold. So, this cleaning process really removes all the growth and all the dirt. It really just leaves a really clean surface that looks super once dry. So that's our basic process. If you have any questions, please just give us a call anytime if you want like an estimate or to learn more about our services. But just again, super example of what power washing with the right cleaners and soaps and the right pressure, really how it turns out. It's really based on the knowledge of the operator and what we're doing as far as using those soaps to help improve the cleaning process. So thanks again. We appreciate you watching and have a great day.